Welcome to our prenatal morning yoga series. I'm Melanie. Thanks for being here. For this class, you'll need 2 blocks, a pillow or bolster to sit on, and maybe a blanket for your knees later on. Let's get started. Inhale, reach your arms out wide and up. Exhale, comes to your heart. Take your hands behind you, press your feet to the ground, and then just window windshield wipe your knees from side to side. When your knees fall over to the right, stay. Take your fist and just give yourself some butt and thighs punches. My teacher, Deborah Flashenberg, does this every class. Boy, did it feel good during my pregnancy. So just go for it. Good morning. Whenever you're taking this class, just let some blood flow into the flesh of your thigh. Again. And then come back to center. Move your knees over to the right or the left. Make your fist with your right hand and do some butt and thighs punches. And one more breath. We're going to come back to center. Take your inner feet to touch and lengthen forward and upward. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Okay, make a bit of a Tarasana shape. So your heels are not too close to you, they're more in a star shape. And just take some pelvic circles here. And if you're on a big pillow like mine, maybe a little too high, it feels really nice, especially if you have multiples or if you're further along in your pregnancy. The higher seats, the better. Just take this time to tune inward, to link your breath to your body. I want you to notice how your body feels today. You might just big slides, switch direction. Circle or so, you'll let that fade away. And we come back to center. Inhale, lengthen forward. Open up your heart. Exhale, round. Again, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, round. Good, inhale, lengthen, cross your shins, roll forward onto your hands and knees. Take the blanket underneath your knees if your knees are sensitive. And bring your knees as wide as the mat. Maybe your toes touch, maybe they don't. So you sit to your heels, or in that direction. Child's pose. You can make a little pillow with your head, with your hands for your forehead. Just let the sides of your waist relax, so deeply relax down. And breathe into the foundation of your body. What is in contact with the earth? Top of your feet. Shin, knees, forearms, forehead, and take deep inhales into your baby school. And as you exhale, your back body draping over your front body. About 2 more breaths. And peel your gaze forward. Take your hands down. Come onto your hands and knees. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up and back. Downward facing dog. muscles of your face. Breathing in through your nose. Sticking out your tongue, breathing out through your mouth. No one is looking, I promise. Breathe in. And breathe out. As you pedal maybe through your feet, you can find some space where your trunk meets your leg. And find that space right at the back of the balls of your feet to stand on. Breathing in, breathing out. Good, inhale, gaze forward, tap your knees down. Take your hands to your blocks, and then bring your right foot wide of your right hand. Heel to your right foot out to the side, so that your heel is in line with your knee. Okay, then just move from side to side. It doesn't seem like much. This is a great laboring position if your baby has troubles descending down. It also feels so nice. And then walk your hands a little closer to you. Take one hand to your right thigh, and then press your right forearm to your right thigh, reach your left arm up and over. Some of us might stay here. Some of us might brush the right heel out to the side, flex your right foot. Take a full breath in, full breath out. As you breathe in, keep reaching your left fingertips over to the right. As you do that, can you go down and look at your right foot? Good. Inhale up and over. And exhale round. Inhale up and over. And exhale round. Last time, inhale up and over. Exhale round. Good. Keep reaching those left fingertips away from your left hip. Breathing, come up. If your leg is straight, bend your right knee, put your right foot down. Take your hands to your blocks, and then take your right knee down. Step your left foot, widen your left hand. Heel to your left foot out to the side so that your heel is in line with your knee. And we'll just move from side to side. Notice how asymmetrical your body is. That's okay. We're growing an asymmetrical baby as well. Okay. And about 2 more breaths here. And walk your hands a little closer to you. Press up, left hand, left thigh, left forearm, left thigh. Reach your right arm up and over. And extend the right side of your trunk a little more. Right? From your outer right knee to your right fingertip. Get longer. Some of us might stay right here. Perfectly acceptable place to be. Otherwise, brush your left heel forward or out to the side and extend your legs. Keep your toes flexed. Keep lengthening through the inseam of your left leg as you grow through the outer seam of your right thigh. And inhale, gaze up. Exhale, round. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Again, inhale up. Exhale, round. Stay here. Take full breath in. Full breath out. Good. Inhale, come back up. Hands to your blocks, right knee down. Walk your blocks a little forward, and then one at a time, take your feet forward. And heel to your feet as wide as your mat. Definitely wider than baby, maybe even wider than your mat. Okay. From here, you're going to keep your feet parallel, soften your knees, and then walk your hands forward. Like you're doing a down dog with wide legs. Okay? As you breathe in, bend through your left knee, extend your right leg. And as you exhale, just stay here. Just send the left foot down, breathe into the insole of your right leg. And straighten your left leg, bend your right knee. Breathe into the inseam of your left leg as you sit a little forward to your right seat. Straighten your right leg, breathe in. Bend your left knee. Again, straighten your left leg, bend your right knee. You're going to take a full breath in. Straighten your right leg. Walk your blocks a little closer to you. Heel to your feet underneath your baby. Bend your knees, look forward. Take your hands to your thighs. Come all the way up. Roll the top of your shoulders back. Interlace your hands behind your back. Draw your knees down. Breathe in. And breathe out. Separate your hands without letting them boomerang. Keep your arms out wide enough. Exhale, hands to your heart. And again, inhale out, widen up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Last time, inhale out, widen up. Exhale, palms to your heart. You're going to take one hand to your heart, one hand to your baby. Do you know where your baby's back is? You can give your baby a back rub. Thank yourself for carving out time to practice today. Open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this morning. Have a great day.